So, hello students. We have completed auxins and phytohormones, composition, features, everything. Next is cytokinin. So, cytokinin first come to discovery. So, in discovery, it was done by Skoog and Miller. By Skoog and Miller, they discover and isolated. कहाँ से किया था? From herring, sperm, DNA and call it kinetin. Kinetin helps in cell division. It means kinetin means help in cell division. What it was done? Actually, cytokinins work with some other phytohormones. So what does it take? Tobacco plant stem, they undergo proliferation. They show proliferation when auxin plus what? Coconut milk was taken, or you can say auxin plus DNA extract was taken, or yeast extract. So tobacco plant stem show differentiation when auxin plus these all were taken. So it shows tobacco plants show differentiation. Okay, later it was concluded a cytokinins. So we can say also cytokinins work with some other phytohormones. So we can say what a cytokinins is. Its composition is 6 furyl aminopurine. We can say purine derivatives. Nitrogenous base. Purine derivatives, that is adenine. This you will study. I have told you na कि adenine, guanine, purine, pyrimidine, these all are in class 12 in genetics chapter. तो cytokinins बस इतना याद रखना, they are purine derivatives. Okay, nitrogenous base. Cytokinins are purine derivatives. No need to learn this. Only cytokinins क्या है? Purine derivatives. Okay. So how it works with some other phytohormones? When auxin is equal to cytokinins, what happened? Cell division takes place but without differentiation and helps in callus formation. So cell division takes place. Cytokinase, cyto means here cytoplasm. Okay, cell division without differentiations and helps in callus formation. Division cyto means cyto is a cytoplasm. And what happens? Actually, cytokinins, the main function of cytokinins promotes cell division, cell differentiation, cell enlargement. Cytoplasm. And what happens when auxin is greater than cytokinins? Root formation. It helps in root formation and helps in differentiation. Third condition, what will be? Shoot formation. And helps in differentiation. So what are its function? Promotes cell division. Promotes cell division. Second, it also promotes cell enlargement and cell differentiation. Third, there are various functions you can take. Main things I have told you. Main function of cell division, promotes cell differentiation, promotes adventitious root formation, leaf formation, enlargement, leaf formation and enlargement, and break seed dormancy. By increasing metabolic activity. So these are the various functions, features, discovery and everything about cytokinins. Next we will study gibberellic acids and ethylene. Okay.